Good morning. I am Principal Dr. E.V. Panchal, मराठवाडा शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल्स, विनायकराव पाटील महाविद्यालय वैजापुर, district Aurangabad. This college has organized 1 week faculty development program on modern teaching, evaluation and research methods under the UGC scheme Stride Component 1. This FDB program will continue from 2nd June to 7th June 2020. As the principal of this college, I welcome all eminent resource persons, delegates, and over 4,700 participants across the country from different universities and colleges for this online faculty development program. It is my duty as the principal to speak few words about our institution and college. Marathwada Shikshan Prasarak Mandal is one of the most renowned educational institute established in 1960, which is imparting traditional and professional education from primary school level to UG, PG, research, engineering, law, pharmacy, B.Ed, etc. throughout Marathwada region under the most able leadership of Honorable MLA Sri Prakash Dada Salunke as the President and Honorable MLC Sri Satish Ji Chauhan as General Secretary, along with their colleagues of Executive Council and other members. Marathwada Shikshan Prasarak Mandal's Vinayakrao Patil College is established in 1968, and since last 52 years it is playing a very vital and dynamic role in academic, sports, cultural, social, political and economic field of Vaijapur Tehsil. This college is situated on a beautiful and green 20 acres of campus where about 5,000 students are studying in junior and senior college and PG level different courses. Over 300 teaching and non-teaching staff is dedicatedly working for excellent performance of this college. This college is re-accredited by NAC Bengaluru in third cycle by A grade with 3.33 CGPA. Similarly, this college has given a CPA status by UGC and it is ISO certified also. This college is awarded as Best College Award for NSS by Government of Maharashtra, and an award is received from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University as an ideal examination center also. I am proud to state that UGC has sanctioned Stride Component 1 project under the scheme Transdisciplinary Research for India's Developing Economy. This is the only one college in the jurisdiction of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University and one amongst 5 colleges in the state of Maharashtra who got this honor. Similarly, NAC Bengaluru has identified and granted Paramarsh scheme to act as mentor college for other non-accredited colleges under the jurisdiction of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. This college NSS department is also assigned responsibility to work under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan for holistic survey of identified villages of the Tehsil area. Presently, this college is working under able leadership of Krishi Bhushan Honorable Appa Saheb Ramakrishna Patil as head College Development Committee along with other members of College Development Committee. At this occasion, I express my gratitude and welcome to Professor D.G. Kanere, Center for Modeling and Stimulations, Savitribai Phule University, Pune, who is our mentor and advisor for STRIDE scheme appointed by UGC and also a keynote speaker in this faculty development program. I express my sincere gratitudes to Honorable Principal R.T. Deshmukh, College Development Officer of Marathwada Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, and Professor M.D. Sirsat, Department of Physics, and Director Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, who continuously guided and inspired us with all possible efforts for getting this project from UGC. I also recognize and well appreciate the efforts of my colleague, the coordinator of this project, Dr. Sandeep Pardesi, and other members, Dr. S.N. Babar, Professor A.D. Korse, Dr. K.P. Bholane, and Vice Principal Dr. D.S. Salunke, Registrar Vijay Aher for effective and efficient organization of this 1 week faculty development program. I welcome all resource persons who will be contributing their valuable thoughts on different themes of this faculty development program throughout the week in different sessions. With gratefulness, I appreciate and welcome all over 4,700 online participants from different universities and colleges for this 1 week faculty development program, and hope that this will definitely be most useful for them to enhance their knowledge and information in post-COVID-19 era to all the teaching fraternity for their future effective role in academic field. With these words, I conclude my welcome talk and express my thanks to all the members who are participating in this faculty development program. Thank you very much.